Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to talk to you real quick about a fungus or disease that we're seeing a lot in St. Augustine right now. It's called a gray leaf spot. Last week I talked about brown patch a little bit. It was starting to pop up because of all the rain we had. Well, gray leaf spot is just as bad. We're seeing it all over the place, so you need to watch out for it if you've got St. Augustine. And it differs a lot from the brown patch because it's a little bit harder to identify. The brown patch, remember, it grows in kind of in clumps, circular patterns, and it's real patchy in your lawn. So it's a little bit easier to know what's going on when you've got brown patch. But with gray leaf spot, it's a little bit harder because there's really no pattern to it. It's more widespread, and people can mistake it for a watering issue. People can look at it and see a big portion of your lawn starting to yellow or brown, and you might think that you need to increase the water. Whenever that's actually the opposite. What you need to do, it's like that because of too much water. So the way you identify it, if you have any areas that are yellowing or browning in your lawn, go out there, get down on your hands and knees, look closely at the blade of grass. I'll post some pictures here, and you're going to see some lesions or some spots all over those blades of grass, and that's what you need to look for. They're going to be kind of a grayish tannish color, and they're going to have a dark ring around the outside. That's how you know you got gray leaf spot. Gray leaf spot is a result of too much water, not enough air circulation in the turf. With the amount of rain we've had the last 2 weeks, there's nothing you could have done to prevent it. So you just kind of have to treat it as it comes up. With the fungicide, treat it with the fungicide. You can also mow your grass a little bit shorter, and that's going to help the air circulation, help it dry out and get rid of that gray leaf spot. Now, if you ever have that happen whenever we haven't had so much rain, that's an indication that your watering practice is not right or not good. You need to look at your watering practice, adjust it, water less, water more deeply, less frequently. You also need to look at your air circulation. Maybe you need an aeration. Maybe you need to cut your lawn shorter. Don't let it grow so tall, between mows. That can all contribute to gray leaf spot. But as it is right now, there's nothing you could have done to prevent it. So you just need to get a fungicide out there on it and get it mowed. And that's going to really help out. So hope that helps. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.